Hi, I'm Bella, and today I wanted to tell you about how you can get involved in Coolest Projects online.
Hosting the event online means we can still share the awesome projects you have been working on with people from around the world, all from the comfort of our own homes.
First, you need to pick the category you think your project is most suitable for. You can find a breakdown of all the categories on the Coolest Projects website. Your creation doesn't even need to be finished for it to be part of the online showcase. All you need is a great idea. Before you register, you'll need to either add your Scratch project to our Scratch Studio or upload a 2-minute video to YouTube for all the other categories.
To help us learn more about your project, you must answer these 3 important questions as part of your registration. 1. Tell us about your project. Why did you choose to make this project? 2. What did you find difficult while making your project and how did you work it out? 3. Is there anything you would do differently or you would add if you had more time? Please make sure your project is written or presented in English, so we can include it in the judging process.
To show us your code, you need to record your screen so that our judges can see the code you've been working on. If you don't know how to do this, check out the guidelines on our website for more help.
Once you've saved your Scratch project to the studio or uploaded your 2-minute video, visit coolestprojects.org to register your project. You must be 13 or over to complete the form, so ask a parent or guardian to help if you're younger. I can't wait to see all the awesome projects we will upload to Coolest Projects online. Have fun!